Can acupuncture help with my depression? One of the things that many people have to deal with nowadays is depression. As a matter of fact, more people have to deal with depression than most people realize. Although there are a lot of medicines that a person can take in order to deal with this problem, many people do not want to manipulate their bodies in such a way. For those individuals, it is a much better idea to do things naturally in one way or another. One way in which many people have found relief from their depression is through acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese art in which the energy within our body is manipulated and balanced through the insertion of very tiny, hair-thin needles. According to traditional Chinese medicine, all of us have an energy that is often referred to as qi, and this energy is what causes all life to flow within us as individuals. A balance between the good and the bad energies in our body is necessary for us to maintain health. This balance can be realized and maintained through the use of acupuncture. According to many naturalists, depression is often caused by an imbalance in the body in some form or another. It often happens as a result of stress because of lifestyle changes that we may be going through, problems that we are experiencing with work or other situations in our lives. The depression that we feel is quite real and can be life-altering and make it difficult for us to lead a normal life. By bringing our body back into balance, however, we are able to overcome many of the difficulties that are experienced in life, including that of depression. Acupuncture has come under a bit of scrutiny in the past several decades since it has gained popularity in the United States. Rather than disproving the theory, however, it actually has done much to promote it. Although it is difficult to use acupuncture in the control group, some studies have shown that by manipulating acupuncture points, an increase in blood flow and energy can be seen in the targeted areas. If you are experiencing depression or are having a difficult time in life, then acupuncture may be able to help you. It has been practiced for thousands of years and has helped an untold number of individuals to deal with their life as they know it.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.